Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to finish on working on the game Hangman. So let's get started. What we're going to do next is we will use a for loop to replace each underscore with guess. Then we're going to update word completion with the new changes by calling empty. We will then make an if statement where if the user guess finished the word, guess would equal true. This would allow the game to end. Once we have that done, we're going to create an else if statement where if the user guesses the correct letter. If guess is in guess words, the code would print you already guessed the word. Then we will create an else if statement where if guess is not a word, the code will print guess is not the word. We will also remove one try so the user can't keep guessing all the letters in the word. We will pin guess to guess word so the user can't guess the same word. We will create an else if statement if the user guesses the correct letter. If he does, guessed would equal true and word completion would equal word. And finally, we'll create another else statement which would represent if the user prints out an invalid guess. Next, after this else if statement, we will update the Hangman's position. We will then print the word and we will add a new line to space out each term. Before we continue, I made a mistake with the indenting of some of the lines. Just highlight the stuff I highlight and just tap the tab button. This would fix the indenting of the code because it wasn't aligned properly before. So before you continue, do that. And finally, we're going to create one more if statement in the code where, and basically what it's going to do is, it's going to be if the user guesses the correct word, it will print congrats, you guessed the word, you win. We will also print an else statement to go along with the if statement. It will basically be else the user runs out of tries. And the code will print, sorry, you ran out of tries. The word was this, and we'll see maybe next time or something like that. The last function we need to create is the main function. Then we will run the play function in the main function. We will also allow the user to input if he wants to play again when the game is over. If the user wants to play again, it will basically get another word and it will run the play function. Before we continue, we just got to do one more thing. We need to tab the square bracket, and we also got to, this was a mistake before, we got to move the return stages tries code. We got to move that line of code here. That was just a little mistake I made and I didn't realize. And now we can move on. The last thing we will do is we're going to make one more if statement. I know it's a lot of if statements, but trust me, we're basically done. We will need this code fragment so the code would be fun on the command line. If you run your code, it should look like this. There should be the Hangman character over here. You should say let's play Hangman, and you enter a letter or a word. And that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.